MBC, aid emergency. Path 2, engine 165, aid 165, battalion 161, North 145 Street and Aurora Avenue North. MBC, aid emergency. Path 2, engine 0014 hours. Motor vehicle incident medic. On channel 2, engine 2435, medic 1, North 145 Street and Aurora Avenue North. Motor vehicle.
Units on Factory, copy en route. Called in by a passerby. This will be a vehicle versus a parked car at 40 miles an hour, unknown gender and age for the patient. Vehicle is currently surrounded, so unknown if anybody has gotten out of the vehicle.
Angel 165.
Angel 165.
Angel 165. Dispatch Angel 165.
Angel 165.
We're on scene of a 3-car MBC. This is going to be just south of 145th. Establishing Aurora Command. We're going to be checking for injuries.
Copy 3-car MVC south of 145th. Establishing Aurora Command is checking for injuries.
Affirmative, and can you attach PD for traffic control just south of 145th in Aurora?
Copy for PD for traffic control.
Affirmative. Dispatch from Aurora Command.
Come in, go ahead.
All patients are out of the vehicle. Still checking for you. Injuries. And Seattle Fire is also on scene.
Copy, all patients out of the vehicle checking for injuries. Seattle Fire on scene.
Dispatch from Aurora Command, we have 2 green patients.
Copy, 2 green patients.
Dispatch from Angel 165.
Angel 165.
You can show Angel 165 clear the call. Turn over to Seattle. 8165 is going to transport 1 yellow patient to Northwest.
Received.